the Maserati MC20 coupe engine. That's what I saw. My female dares, I'm sorry. This one, I've got to talk to the men about because they understand cars, fast cars, and shifting gears. And that is what we got in that melisma. The Dimash was like a Maserati MC20. And we know that that car goes 0 to 62 mph in 2.9 seconds. That was Dimash. He went around he drove around the pyramid, and then he drove up the pyramid and back down in 2.9 seconds. Yes, our prince did that. That is the only way I could describe that experience. The vocal cord off a MC20 engine. He is audacious. There is none like him. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. For all my returning viewers, welcome back. For my subscribers, I want you to know that I see you. I see you. So, thank you so much for subscribing, and I truly, truly appreciate it. And again, these videos are for you. So, if you're ready, we're not going to waste any time. We're just going to get into that new song by Dimash and Igor Krutoy, I Miss You. Are you ready? Let's go.
Это центральное телевидение. Мы продолжаем свою работу в прямом эфире. Ну и прямо сейчас обещанная премьера. В прямом эфире центрального телевидения на нашей сцене артист, чей голос покорил весь мир. Димаш Кудайберген, Игорь Крутой. И это их новая песня, которую вы услышите первыми.
На закатном берегу место нашей встречи, а над берегом кружит стая птиц. Словно в первый раз я стою сейчас здесь на берегу, но
Крутой, Димаш Кудайберген, спасибо вам огромное. Клевая, классная песня.
Спасибо, Димаш.
Спасибо огромное. Димаш, я так понимаю, «Скучаю по тебе» — это ты поешь своим фанатам и всем поклонникам, которых ты вживую уже не видел, наверное, огромное
Да, но
количество.
зато они его в эфире центрального телевидения сейчас увидели здесь, на нашей сцене.
Вот, вам огромное спасибо за предоставленную возможность.
Да вам огромное спасибо за песни, которые вы нам дарите во время этой чертовой проклятой пандемии.
Вам спасибо, потому что сложилась уже традиция, что мы премьеру приносим вам, и вы первые показываете, тем более эту песню на стихи Игоря Николаева в исполнении Димаша, я надеюсь, она полюбится.
Я в этом уверен.
Well, my dear friends, all I can say about this song is it was decadent. It was masterfully engineered. There isn't even any words musically or vocally that I can use to describe this experience in this song, even though it's so short and decadent. And by decadent, when Dimash did that melisma, oh my gosh, I literally was transported I mean, there was so much melodic embellishments in such a short time. It literally took me away. My dear friends, we don't even want to talk about that low, breathy, lower range vocal fry. I mean, I think this is another one of those 3 S's. Sexy, sensual, seductive. Oh my God, all the S's again. I mean, who could be grieving and still be sexy? I mean, what are we gonna do, my dear friends, with our prince? He's grieving the loss of, it could be, I think, this song about a loved one and also his fans. But how could grieving be sexy, sensual, and seductive? Only our prince of Kazakhstan can do that, right? That voice, that's a new one too. We haven't heard this particular sound. This is totally new. So he is just becoming more of a master of his engine, his vocal abilities. How much more masterful can one get? Well, we know there is no end to the mastery with our prince. So, we're just gonna keep enjoying everything that he brings to us, right? Yes, dears. All that I got out of it was decadent desserts and the speed of a Maserati. And let me tell you, that's where I want to be. And I am going to put that portion of that song on freeze frame, replay, rewind, restart, over and over and over again, because that's where I want to be. I think this song is my absolute favorite, and it's beautiful. We were shifting gears. Like the Maserati MC20 Coupe, from 0 to 62 mph to 2.9 seconds, with the top speed of 202 mph. Yes, our prince did that. And I went for the ride. I had the desserts and I went for the ride and I enjoyed, and I am gonna freeze frame that moment. And if that doesn't prove that our prince is the best out there, I don't know what will. He shifts those gears masterfully, and he is audaciously moving into the future. No one can stop him. You can't hide him. You can't make him feel insignificant. All the competitors, you cannot light a candle and put it under the bed. because it just burns down everything. So he doesn't have to, nobody needs to give him a prize because he is the prize. So my dear friends, if you enjoy Dimash as much as I do, go ahead and subscribe because I am on this Dimash journey and I'm going to be doing more videos, and I'm going to promise you I'll make them shorter so we can get through them faster. So if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload my upcoming video, which is going to be very soon. So that's it for this one. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.